Say no more! Sonic the Hedgehog has come back to you! We're gonna show you some excellent characters in real life! Here you can see how creative and festive Shadow is, posing with a gun as a candy cane. Rouge is super pretty, but she doesn't always have to be sexy, right? Knuckles always has a cool vibe, especially with his red hat. Oh wow! Okay. This is hands down my favorite Tails cosplay. I love the Sonic cosplay. Simple, but got it all. Just one word. Cute! C-U-T-E. Go Amy Rose! The pink hair looks very good on her, right? Ooh, scary! That is Dr. Robotnik, everybody! I like how she modifies Rouge's costume into something so cozy. I don't know what to say about this guy. Next! Super futuristic pair of glasses. Tail. Big fan. I'm digging her little mohawk. Do you want to see more Sonic the Hedgehog cosplay like this? Please like and subscribe to let us know, alright? Thank you! See you soon!